Performing a plank is a simple yet effective way to strengthen your core and by extension your entire body. There are a variety of plank variations, but they all include positioning the body so that it's perpendicular to the floor, the stomach is facing down, and the torso is lifted off the ground by the elbows or hands. Despite the plank's widespread popularity, many people ignore its many advantages, but in this video we will talk about these benefits and let you know what will happen to your body if you plank for 5 minutes every day. So let's get started. Number 1. You will have an improved posture. Your posture can be greatly improved by doing planks regularly. This is because planks engage your core, which means they essentially work your entire body, including your legs and the area between your pelvic and shoulder girdle, your spine, rhombotrapezius and abdominal muscles. All these muscles are strengthened by the plank. As they get stronger, they will inevitably produce a stronger posture. A lot of health issues can be alleviated by improving your posture, and other ailments can be avoided such as slow metabolism or back pain, but more on that later in the video. Number 2. It strengthens the core. Planks are excellent abdominal exercises because they work all the core muscle groups including the glutes, external obliques, rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis. You will notice an increase in your ability to lift heavy objects, an increase in your ability to bend sideways and twist your waist, as well as a stronger back and buttocks. Number 3. Balance and coordination. We can balance when standing on one leg or riding a bike because of the strength in our core muscles to acquire the proper balance and form. Even dancing needs to use the core muscles. Planks train your muscles to persevere by keeping your core muscles tight. This strengthens muscles and improves bodily balance. Number 4. It will help you get rid of back pain. As I mentioned earlier, another remarkable advantage is their ability to alleviate back pain. Planks not only target these specific types of back pain but also promote overall back health. By improving posture, they assist in aligning the vertebrae, which reduces unnecessary tension in the spinal area. This, in turn, prevents misalignment of the back ligaments and prevents discomfort. Overall planking for 5 minutes daily will help you get rid of back pain. Number 5. Improves flexibility. One of the main benefits of the plank exercise is increased flexibility because it stretches your hamstrings, the arches of your feet and soles, as well as your posterior muscles groups including your shoulders, collarbones and shoulder blades, making you more flexible. Number 6. It will improve your mood. Plank exercises can significantly reduce stress by positively affecting the nerves and stretching the muscles area that cause tension in the body. This makes planks an effective form of exercise that can also trigger the release of endorphins, enhancing mood and reducing stress levels. Additionally, planks engage the entire body and are more effective at burning calories than traditional abdominal exercises such as sit-ups and crunches. So, consistent practice of planks can lead to stronger core muscles and a boost in metabolism. For real, planks are really beneficial for people who sit at desktops most of the day. Therefore, you should try to do them frequently. Your metabolism will increase and it will remain boosted throughout the entire day. The bottom line is that everybody's workout routine should include the plank because it is a great and easy exercise that everyone can learn. The plank provides a wide range of health advantages, and because it works your core muscles so intensely, these advantages can apply to your entire body. So, will you add a plank to your workout routine? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.